Let's see how to hide red and blue underline in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, as you can see, we have purposely misspelled some of the words right here. We've misspelled and, as well as the word underline, and they are indicated by this wavy red underline. And to remove this underline right here and to stop Microsoft Word from tracking our spelling as well as our grammar, first click on the File tab. Now click on Options. And from here, click on Proofing. And make sure that you have these unchecked. So the first one is check spelling as you type. And the next one is mark grammar errors as you type. Now click on OK. And as you can see, those underlines are now gone, meaning that Microsoft Word is no longer checking the spelling and the grammar as we type. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.